I almost always make Kobe's lunch the day before school, but yesterday I just wasn't feeling it, so that's why I had to make it this morning. Yeah, but I mean, it's nothing new. He really likes this. He eats every single bite of it every day, so I'm like, I'm not gonna mess up a good thing. He's more of a PBJ kind of guy than a turkey cheese. So he got his PBJ, his grapes, his carrots, and his veggie straws. Yeah. And for his 2 snacks of the day, he's gonna have pretzels and a granola bar. So, we're about to go take Kobe to school, and then afterwards going to the gym, and then afterwards going to my best friend's. So that's why I packed these cute little lunches for us, because we're gonna go over there, and if it doesn't rain, we might swim. But it's pretty gross out, so I don't know if that's gonna happen.
That go really fast.
But hopefully I'll remember to bring you guys with. So let's take Kobe to school.
So,
We made it to the tin gym.
yeah, we're going to Allie's in a minute.
We're gonna go to Allie's afterwards. What are we gonna do?
Swim.
Ooh, like a turtle?
Yeah.
Cool. Yep, we're at the gym, so
Can the turtle come in Allie's pool?
no.
Why?
Your stuffed turtle cannot go in the pool. I'm very sorry.
But he's handsome.
He is very handsome. Okay, see you later. Bye. Is that where you're gonna eat?
I need help.
You're gonna put your feetsies in?
No. I want pee. I don't like it.
Yeah, it's cool. Go swim.
I was wait.
You just gonna
You
wait?
just gonna wait? You need to warm up?
So we're back. We've had a pretty fun day, I'd say. Went to the gym, had a little lunch outside, and went swimming. And we didn't get rained on. I mean, it literally rained like 2 minutes after we got out of the pool. It started raining, so that was kind of nice. But now we're home. Lydia is down for her nap, and I think when she wakes up, we're gonna paint her nails, and then it'll probably be close to time to pick up the coat band, so we'll see. Okay. So I'm feeling a little hungry for something sweeter. So this is gonna be kind of like a little snack, and also you probably would have seen it in my last vlog. If these are going up in order, who knows? But I'm gonna make like some pancakes. I'm gonna make them out of oats, a banana, an egg. I think I use peanut butter protein powder. They're really good, and they are gonna help this little sweet tooth. So yeah, okay. At Kobe's school,
No one letting
in the pickup line at the school. So Lydia woke up too late to get her nails painted before we picked up Kobe. So we're gonna paint her nails when we get home.
We need a pancake.
Oh yeah, and I made Lydia and Kobe a pancake. So they're gonna do that. But now we're gonna sit here at Kobe's school and wait, to pick him up. So.
Where's all your hair?
Huh?
Where's all your hair?
I don't know. And then I think we're probably gonna make tacos tonight because it's Tuesday. Not while you're watching this, but while I'm filming it, it's Tuesday, and we usually have tacos on Tuesday. So yeah, okay. So now we're gonna paint the nails.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do it. I was craving something sweet. I'm a child at heart. Alright guys, that is it. The sun finally decided to come out, of course, because that's what it does at the end of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up. Or hey, why don't you subscribe if you haven't already? Because yeah, thank you. I hope this wasn't too short or boring or whatever. Again, just let me know down below. Whatever. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much, and we'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.